Gold has started the week on a slight bearish note, but it has still not breached past the support levels at 96, 98 and is still very much in the consolidation zone. So what to expect from gold today, how to profit, whether be it on the buy side or on the sell side, where to enter, what should be the targets, everything we're gonna see with the help of charts and indicators. If you're new to the channel, subscribe to the channel and stay tuned with the twice a day update. The next update will be released before the US session. And yes, your every like, share, comment matters to me a lot. Just do press the like button, do share, comment as well. Let's start. First, let's have a look at the hourly chart. See, gold is staying in this channel for long now, and this is a bullish channel. This is staying bullish here. You can find out even the lows are beautifully connected and the highs are connected as well. Now, what is happening here after a stronger bullish move here? There was too much of divergence from the moving average. It is not only waiting for the moving average to come up, but also approaching towards the moving average. So yes, this is a retracement, not a reversal. You can also note with the fact that, see, the candle size are very small, suggestive that is still that the bearishness is, it is not completely bearish, it is just trying to retrace. Yes, lower highs are seen as of now. Thus, once you see the price is staying above 2005 zone, we can expect a further rise, but I will wait for 2010 levels to be breached. Once it stays above 2010, then you can say that it is completely bullish. Else it is just in the consolidation zone. Do not treat gold as bullish as long as 2008 or 10 is respected today. Now let's have a further detailed look. On the downside, see where are the support levels. Even if it tries to continue its downward move, 1990, 1991 zone, which we have been tracking since long, is greater resistance. Now it is going to be the support, and the most important ones, the 1985 and the 80 zone. These two levels are the maximum support zone. Stochastic looking downwards, trying to trade bearish. MACD was trading with extreme divergence, thus it is trying to converge a bit. And see, it does not mean that it cannot rise further. You can see this rise, you can see this rise, so it can. However, right now it is trading with extreme divergence, so possible conversion and a slight bearish move cannot be denied. RSI coming out of the overbought zone, coming to 2. If you look at 2-hour chart, see a flat opening at 20.05 levels and lower highs are seen. Now it is still getting the respect from 2002 levels, 2001 levels. And even if it tries to retrace, we can expect it to get the support, first support at 98 levels and then at 94, then 90. So yes, 90 is the very good support. If you look at, there is a too much of divergence from the 20 period moving average. What it may try to do, it may try to wait for the moving average to climb up and then converge towards or slowly move towards these levels. Stochastic overbought. MACD is trading with extreme divergence. It may possibly converge a bit, but yes, it has lot much of scope on the upside. Do not treat this as bearish. RSI coming out of the overbought zone, coming to 3 hour. On the 3-hour charts, you've seen lower highs, lower lows. This is expanding here. The probability for it to achieve 94, in fact 90 levels, is there today. We can stay short. If you see the price is staying below 2001, you can sell here at 2001 levels. When you see this price at 2001, you can sell. But the risk to reward ratio here is almost 1:1, as the stop loss should be at around 2005. And the first target is very close to 98, 97 zone. And then below that 94. So yes, we have to keep shifting. We have to keep trailing as long as 94, 90 levels are respected. Below 94, it is 1990, the next targets. Stochastic overbought here. MACD is in green and it has lot much of scope for continuing the move on the upside. Right now, it is trying to converge a bit. RSI flat near to top, coming to 4-hour. Now, look at 4-hour chart. See what has happened here. First, a pullback was seen. Gap is filled here with this candle. This candle has closed in red. Right now, it is forming double bottom. I will wait for the candle. I will wait for the charts to stay below 2001 levels. When you see the price is staying below 2001, when I say 2001, this price has to be below 2001. For selling, you have to look at this price, that is the buying price. And then you may find 1998, 1994 and 1990. Now 1990, which was a resistance earlier, is now going to be a greater support. And even if it breaches below 1990, we can say 1985 and 80 as the major support. Below 80, it will try to turn slightly bearish. Now, if you look at the movement, prices are too much divergent from the moving average. It may try to converge while the moving averages are consistently climbing up. Stochastic here is overbought. MACD has crossed over, trying to trade in green. RSI is flat near to top. Coming to the now, if you look at daily charts and if you just connect the lows and if you just connect the highs, you will find a good, beautiful channel here. Four candles respecting the bottom of this channel. Support levels seen here 94-90 zone, very good support. Now if you look at what has happened today, it has given a gap down, tried to reverse, stayed in red, now again achieving the highs, trying to retrace a little. So possibly, as long as 2005 levels are not breached on the upside, we may see prices retracing further. We can expect it to move towards 1994-1990 levels. Stochastic is overbought, MACD is in green, RSI is overbought. Just looking at this, and before I give you the trading levels and strategy, if you want to learn this art of trading, you can join my mentorship batch. The 27th batch is going to start on 20th of November. Limited seats are available. Register yourself now itself. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. And yes, you can buy the course by visiting the platform forexfunda.com. This is my own platform created with the vision to provide everything required by a trader under one single umbrella, whether be it the economic calendar with live market data, whether be it the charts for any instrument from across the globe, be it stocks, funds, future, forex, crypto, indices, economy. You can create your own analysis. All the indicators are available here. You can book a call with me. You can schedule a call with me in case you need any guidance. Yes, here in the live mentorship, you can book your seats. You can pay and reserve your seat here. The details regarding the batch is mentioned under the tab of announcement, where you find the curriculum, where you find the details and the registration form as well. The interesting part is the discussions forum, where you can discuss with the like-minded traders what to expect. You can create your own post as well. So do visit the forum forexfunda.com and register yourself, reserve your seats now itself by joining the live mentorship. Coming to the charts here, I will recommend you to buy gold if you see it is staying about 2005 levels. See 2005, first milestone, first resistance, but I will wait for it to break out beyond 2008-10 zone. Yes, if it breaks beyond 2008-10 zone, then only we should treat this as bullish. So as long as 2008 and 10 are respected, we have taking a buy position, we have to put our stop losses at our entry price such that we can preserve our capital. On the downside, I'll recommend a selling entry at 2001. But first thing is, these entries are excluding the spreads, and thus you have to, while selling, you have to sell at a higher price, while buying you have to buy at a lower price. So yes, below 2001 you can sell, but 1998, 1994, 1993 major support levels. Below 1990 is where the bears will be taking over. Trade accordingly, take your positions accordingly. Like, share, subscribe and comment. Join my mentorship batch signals channel. Reach out to me for any of your trading or training queries. My platform details are available. You can also reach me on Telegram or email. All the IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. See you again before the US session. Thank you.